Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I picked up my last firearm for a while, which is the Phoenix Arms HP 22 Chamber and 22A. I personally like the feel of it. I like the weight. I know it's a lot of bad reviews on this, but I'm not hunting alligators or anything like that. I just need a little something just for the car. Has a weird little safety here that goes up and down. That's a firing pin safety. And then you push up for safe, down. Once you have it on fire, you can't eject it, but once you have it on safe, you can eject it. You kind of have to slap it a little bit hard, but I like it. I mean, I'm gonna shoot it next week. It's Easter, so everything's closed. Rightly so, because he rose with all power in his hand on Sunday morning. So I like it. I got me a holster for it. I'm exclusively gonna keep this in my car. I have a thing. I don't believe in keeping magazines in together. I'll take a magazine, rack it, and go. The reason why is for security, extra layer of security for me. And once again, I don't live a life that's so dangerous where I need all of that. If I was headed to a big crowd, you know, outside my less lethal, I'll do a little bit more, but I think I'm more than adequate for what I have. And then my EDC is my Taurus G2C, which I love, but I'm very much less lethal. So I'm gonna put this away and put it on safety. I'm still trying to figure out how to do all the function. I'm gonna mess with it in range, but I like it. But I'm still self-supply all day. So that's on safe, that's on fire. Have it cocked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And you can't go wrong with having a less lethal because it'll do a lot of good things for you where you don't need an actual gun. And I think most things could be solved without actual gun. I think the less lethal is just as good. Not just as good, but it's just as legal. That's the thing. And if you watch this video with Icy Mike on his channel, Hard to Hit, he showed you the power of the Grimberg gavel, and he legit like put his body through stuff, and he's a real good martial artist fighter, backyard fighter. So when he put his stamp of approval on something, you better go with it, because he made some good points. Like if a person is targeting you and they really tend to get you, will it stop them? And I believe in two energies: the energy that someone gives toward you, and the energy towards someone else. If that person's not directing their energy, their hate, wherever towards you, they really not paying attention like that, and you can come by the sides and do things. And if they're not paying attention, you size them up the right way with this, and depending on the situation, it puts you in a better situation. And then a lot of times, let's say they flipping out crazy, you know, you can have your pepper ball. Let's just say play hypothetical, they do have something. You hit them 1 or 2 times with one of these and combination pepper ball and kinetics, and you do it this high or center mass, it's going to do something. It's going to give you enough time to run away. And then if you can't fight, if you can't see, if you can't hear, and you can't see or hear or taste, you can't fight. That's just old martial arts, anything. So anyway, I'm gonna shoot the rest of this and go from there. We're gonna safe. I'm gonna shoot one more round and I'll be done. And once again, I love these magazines. It's just, I love how it's basically, you know, the way you load it, it's not temperamental like the Byrna. So I really like the Soul Supply a lot. And it's great in the hands, safe. Ejecting. Okay, let me finish it out. And I'm out. I just simply like, I love my Soul Supply. It's not my go-to because I like this in my house, side by bed, but I mean, my God, I got so many weapons. I just pull for something. But I just love it on the side of my bed. It feels good. I love to look at nighttime. You're not gonna. And then on top of that, nobody's breaking into where I am. It's just, you have to be high, or you have to be some type of assassin killer that's coming after me, and I don't live my life that way. I mean, unless student loans, you know, they making drive-bys now. If you want to come after student loans, that could be it, but I don't live my life that way. Even while I do social media stuff, I don't live my life that way. I'm a very safe individual. I try to be calm. I try to be easygoing. I try to live my life peaceful. Try to live my life Christian. Not perfect, but I'm trying. And I just like doing these videos and have a brotherhood and sisterhood of people who believe as I believe, which is self-defense and protecting family, and living life peaceful and having the right to be safe. And that's all we really want, is be safe, right? So, all right, have a good one.